Now we are back at my selection of pictures from this year, and if I move down and come closer to Christmas, past the summer, and we move down autumn, wind blowing, raining, and here we have a picture from Rome. And when I open this picture again, I view it and show all full size, then you see the horizon is tilting up on the right side. This doesn't look good. It could have been a nice picture, but I have to do adjustments to this picture, not only on brightness and contrast, because it's very light as well. I want to reduce the lightness and get some more contrast into the picture. But first of all, I want to adjust the horizon. And how do I do that? Well, I want to edit the picture. And I go up to the edit button, left click, and there you have free transform. And this is a very nice tool. Here I can go in and crop the picture. You see here, I can make it a very different shape by just clicking on one of the handles in the corner. Left click, hold down and move it around. And I can make a very special effect if I want to. But this is not what I'm looking for now. I just go back to the edit button. And do you want to save the changes? No, I don't. So it's back to the original. I go up to the edit button, free transform, and if you look closely now, when I move the cursor just below the picture, you can see here is one symbol coming up. If I left click and drag, I can start to tilt the picture and make it a very special effect like this. Well, sometimes we need a picture like this. If we've written something on it and just want to have it on top of a letter or something, this is a very nice way to make special effects with a picture. But again, this is not what I'm looking for. Again, I go up to the edit button. I do not want to keep the changes I just did. Again, up to the edit button, free transform, and now I go under the picture in the right corner. And now you can see that suddenly I get this arrow. So when I left click, hold down, and start to move up and down, you see I'm tilting the whole picture. So now I want to see if I can straighten it up. I believe this looks pretty good. So now I tilted my picture, but what you can see, here is some white, here we have some white stuff, and same on the top, and down here on the right side. I can't keep that. So now I will have to move to the tools box. And I want to make a selection. Left click it. Do you want to apply the changes? Yes, I do. So again, I go to the tools box. You see, Pixlr always make me control that I really do what I have intended to do by asking questions like it just did. Yes, I want to keep this change. And now I left click. And I'm making a new selection within the picture like this. I go up to the edit button and I copy this one. I've copied. Now I've copied what's in between these dotted lines. I go to the file and choose new, and it says create image from clipboard. I do that, click like this, OK. And now you can see I have a much better picture. If we check this, go back to the first one, and I go to edit and undo, and edit again, undo, then we are back to the original. You can see here, it's like going uphill, and that's not what it is in real life. I just left click here, drag, and then click on the other one, and you can see the difference. This is a much better picture. And again, I just want to do some adjustments to the brightness and contrast because this is too bright. Move this away so I can see the picture better. I left click and I try maybe 17. That looks much better. Maybe even a little bit more down to 20. And a little bit more of contrast. Yes, I like this picture. I want to keep it. So again, I just save it onto my computer. The original is still there, but this is the new picture I want. And if I want, I can go up to image and I can even resize it, because this is still very big. So I just reduce this to 1000 pixels, and the box was checked. So that means I now get a copy of the original. View, full size, show all. Here you have it.